Curl your toes right now. Feel how little they actually grip. Once, that same foot could close around a branch and hold on. Your big toe pointed sideways, like a thumb on your hand. You have been told the human foot is engineered perfection. A purpose-built platform, designed from scratch for standing upright. That is wrong. Your foot was never designed at all. It is a grasping ape hand, rebuilt into a spring. 26 bones, every single one inherited from a climber. That old inheritance is why your feet fail so predictably. Bunions, fallen arches, plantar fasciitis, all echoes of an old design. Look at a chimpanzee foot placed right beside your own. Same bones, same count, but a radically different job entirely. The chimp's big toe swings out to oppose all the others. It grips branches the exact way your thumb grips a pen. Their foot is essentially a second hand, made for the treetops. Ours took those exact same parts and welded them straight. The arch you stand on is not one solid bone. It is a curved bridge of bones, held by ligaments and tendons. With every step, that arch flattens down, then springs right back. It returns nearly 17% of your locomotion energy. A machine built from grasping parts, doing a brand new running job. To trace this incredible change, we travel to Tanzania. Meet Mary Leakey, one of the greatest fossil hunters who ever lived. In 1976, her team was working a dusty site called Laetoli. A nearby volcano had dusted the whole plain with soft ash. Then rain fell, and the ash turned to something like wet cement. Animals walked across it, and so did something walking upright. Then the ash hardened and buried those tracks for ages. The Laetoli footprints changed everything. Two individuals, walking side by side, 3.6 million years ago. The prints showed a clear, deep arch pressed into the ash. And the big toe pointed forward, in line with all the rest. Not sideways, not grasping, aimed straight ahead just like yours. As one description put it, they were as human as our own footprints. The foot had become a true walker, long before the brain grew. These tracks likely belonged to Australopithecus afarensis, an early upright ape. The very same species as the famous fossil skeleton, Lucy. Upright, arched, striding, over 1 million years before our big brains. But the story was not finished. Another fossil soon complicated it. Meet Tim White, who led the team behind an even older discovery. His team studied Ardipithecus, older than Lucy by a full 1 million years. Their findings were published in the journal Science in 2009. Ardipithecus walked upright on the ground, at least some of the time. Yet its foot still carried a thumb-like, grasping big toe. They called her Ardi. Half climber, half walker, caught in the very act of changing. This was a foot that could still curl around a branch. So the transition was slow, messy, and completely incomplete. The grasping toe did not just vanish in one clean step. It was pulled inward, straightened, and finally pressed into new service. So your foot was never a fresh invention at all. It is a climbing hand, forced into the job of a wheel. And that ancient compromise explains all of your modern podiatry bills. Ligaments meant for gripping now strain to hold up an arch. When they overstretch, the arch drops and the pain begins. The plantar fascia inflames because it does a job it was reshaped for. Roughly 1 in 10 adults will feel that stabbing heel pain. Bunions form as the reworked big toe drifts sideways under load. None of this is a flaw. It is deep history in your bones. Next time your feet ache after a very long day, remember this. You are standing on a hand that slowly learned how to run.